Welcome back to Motivational Book Insights, where we bring you the most powerful ideas from the best motivational books to help you transform your life. If you're looking to boost your effectiveness in both your personal and professional life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential self-help books of all time, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey. First published in 1989, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People has sold millions of copies worldwide and has transformed countless lives. Stephen Covey's book offers a principle-centered approach for solving personal and professional problems, guiding readers to develop a character ethic based on universal, timeless principles. The first habit is be proactive. Covey teaches that being proactive means taking responsibility for your life. You have the ability to choose your response to any situation instead of just reacting to external circumstances. Remember, you are not a product of your environment. Rather, you are a product of your decisions. Next is begin with the end in mind. This habit emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision of your destination. By defining your goals and understanding your values, you can align your actions with your long-term objectives. This habit encourages you to live with purpose and intention. Habit 3 is put first things first. It's about organizing and executing your activities based on importance rather than urgency. Covey introduces the time management matrix, which helps you focus on activities that are important but not urgent, those that contribute to your long-term goals. Moving on to habit 4, think win-win. Covey advocates for a mindset of mutual benefit in all human interactions. It's about seeking solutions where everyone feels satisfied. Whether in business, personal relationships, or community efforts, thinking win-win builds trust and enhances cooperation. Habit 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication is key, and Covey stresses the importance of listening with the intent to understand, not just to reply. When you truly understand others, you're better positioned to express your own ideas and collaborate effectively. Habit 6 is synergize. This habit is all about creative cooperation. When people work together in a way that leverages each other's strengths, the results are greater than what any one person could achieve alone. Covey calls this the essence of synergy. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Finally, habit 7, sharpen the saw. Covey encourages continuous self-renewal in 4 areas: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Regularly renewing these aspects of your life ensures that you maintain your effectiveness and continue to grow over time. These 7 habits provide a powerful framework for personal and professional effectiveness. But remember, knowledge alone isn't enough. You need to apply these principles consistently. Start by focusing on one habit at a time, gradually incorporating them into your daily routine. Soon, you'll notice a significant improvement in how you manage your life and relationships. We hope these insights from the 7 habits of highly effective people inspire you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Motivational Book Insights for more content like this. Check out our playlists to explore other powerful books that can transform your life. While we strive to provide the best visuals and content, our main goal is to enlighten, inspire, and motivate our audience. Remember, it's the insights that matter most, not just the media,